Take a ride in the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, moonroof, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.